Welcome back. Today, we're talking about understanding Australia's healthcare system for newcomers. When you're moving overseas, health coverage isn't just a box to check, it's a peace of mind. Whether you're relocating alone, with a family, or as a retiree, knowing how to access quality healthcare in Australia is one of the most important steps in preparing for your new life. In this episode, we'll unpack Australia's healthcare system, from public coverage and private options to what Americans need to know before stepping off the plane. First, Medicare, Australia's public healthcare system. Australia's public healthcare system is known as Medicare. It provides access to free or subsidized healthcare services. That includes your general practitioner visits, hospital treatments in public facilities, and some prescription or medication under the PBS. However, not all newcomers qualify for Medicare right away. Eligibility typically depends on your visa type and residency status. For example, permanent residents and citizens can access Medicare. Some temporary visa holders may be excluded unless covered by a special agreement. If you're unsure of your eligibility, check with the Department of Home Affairs or your visa advisor before you arrive. Private health insurance. Do you need that? Even if you're eligible for Medicare, many Australians choose to take out private health insurance for broader coverage and faster service. Private insurance can help you access private hospitals and specialists, avoid long time waits for elective procedures, cover dental, optical, and physiotherapy, or pay for ambulance service, which are not always free. If you're moving to Australia on a temporary visa, like a student visa subclass 500, or a temporary skill shortage visa subclass 482, you'll be required to hold private health insurance as a visa condition. Providers like Medibank tailor international coverage for new arrivals. What about healthcare costs? What should you expect to pay? While Australia does have a strong public health system, there are still out-of-pocket costs to consider. General doctor visits are free under Medicare, or sometimes they can be between $50 and $80 if you have to pay privately. Specialists' consultation are only partially covered by Medicare, with gap payments that are very common. Prescription medication are subsidized under the PBS, but costs will vary. An emergency ambulance may not be covered unless you have private insurance. Private dental and optical care are not covered under Medicare. If you're not eligible for Medicare, you'll be responsible for the full cost of services unless you're privately insured. Make sure your insurance plans cover what you actually need, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or children. Health is priority, and so is a smooth move. Relocating to Australia isn't just about flights and paperwork. It's about settling yourself in for a safe and healthy life abroad. While you focus on protecting your health, let SDC International Shipping protect your belongings. We specialize in door-to-door moving solutions from the USA to Australia. This includes shipping, customs, packing, and more. Call 877-856-7050 or visit moverstoaustralia.com to get a customized quote and move with confidence.